Guess what? I just got my, well, I got it last week, but I got my Fiio DAC. That's right, digital to analog converter. And I'm really excited about this. And on my camera, I only have about 19 minutes left of recording time before my memory card fills up. So I'm just doing a quick unboxing. I'm not going to really talk much about this DAC and how you hook it up because I only got about 19 minutes and less than 19 minutes. So I'm just going to try to do this unboxing as quick as possible. And this is it. This is called a Fiio. Yeah, Fiio. This is a Fiio DAC. I don't know how you pronounce this, Taishan or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, this is it, the Fiio DAC. And this is a really inexpensive DAC, but the quality is supposed to be really good. And you probably have heard of this brand. That's a brand that people have heard of, right? They've been around, I guess, for a while. So a lot of people have heard of this brand, and it's a pretty good brand. It's pretty solid. I mean, for the money, you get good sound quality or good performance from this brand for the money. And it's a really, inexpensive brand, as far as price goes. You could get pretty good sound quality for not much money. So this if you buy this from an online store, it's gonna cost you about 19 bucks. And I got this on eBay really cheap, so this is why I got it. But you could get it from Parts Express for like $19, or you get it on Amazon if they still sell on Amazon. But you can get it at Parts Express right now for like 19 bucks. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. Set these to the side. And I'm doing this with one hand. Maybe I could do it this way. Maybe with two hands so you can see it better. And I'm behind the camera, so it's kind of hard, but you can see it. And the first thing when I picked this up, it feels kind of heavy, believe it or not. And this is my first time having a Fiio product, so it feels kind of heavy. And I was really impressed with that, with the quality, because it feels heavy. But I mean, this is really small, but there's supposed to be an adapter and a DAC in here. So let's see. I mean, this thing really looks small when you think about this. Two components in here, adapter that comes with it. So this thing must be really small. But here we go. So you can see this good. I'll hold it up a little bit. There we go. Okay. This is the adapter. It's really small. Look at this. Wow. Really tiny. I got about 14 minutes left on my recording video. But look at this. Not bad. This does feel kind of light. Whoops, I almost dropped. This feels kind of light, but look at this. This is adapter. And the cables. Warning label, but this is a USB cable. And this DAC, you actually use this is a mini USB cable. This is not a micro USB cable. This is actually a mini, and I prefer the mini over the micro, as you can see. Look at this. Right here, that is that's a mini USB cable. And the connector is mini style. That's what I like, because this is more durable than using the standard, micro USB cable. This will last longer. I really like using this style of connector because it's more durable and more stronger. And it's really easy. It fits in one way. It's really easy to fit it in without breaking the cable or without breaking the port. So yeah, I like this already. And it's an adapter. Yeah. So that's nice. Okay. Okay, let's see the DAC. Well, this feels heavy. This feels pretty heavy for its size. This thing is tiny. Look at this. Look at that. Yeah. Right now I'm using my Sony a6000 to record this. And I know I don't have a built-in microphone and ports, so I have to use the mics that's on the camera, but they are really loud, so you can easily hear my voice. I don't have to edit and post the sound because it's really loud. It's loud enough. So this is the reason why I use my Sony a6000, because of the video quality. It really picks up very well. You could just see all the detail. But yeah, this is it. Wow. And wow, I just noticed something. This is actually metal. This is not plastic. Yeah, this is it. So look at this. Yeah, this is actually metal. The case on this is actually metal. It's not plastic. Let me take a look real quick. Yeah. Nice. And there's a switch on the back. Let's see what it is. Oh, it says optical to connection. It's a switch on the back. But look at this. Okay, sorry about my Sony a6000 overheated again. This is a problem with this camera. It overheats after 10 minutes because I did a video earlier. This is the input, so this is where the USB cable goes. The USB cable, like this. There you go. Right. And these RCA outputs, this is what goes to your amplifier. So this is the output, as you can see. Right here it says output. And if you have interconnect cables, they would plug directly into the back of this right here. So this is how you would do it. You would connect these cables to this, to your amplifier. So it converts your digital sound or your digital output into analog. These are the analog connectors. And this is a digital connector right here. These two. This is a digital input. This is, I believe it's called a what's it called? Oh, okay. The digital optical connector, basically. And this is a coaxial connector. So if you have a coax cable, which is basically a RCA interconnect cable, you can use either one. So just looking at it, it's really nice quality. You know, it's metal casing, which I was surprised it's not plastic. I don't think. Yeah, it feels like it's metal. Really small. So yeah, this is just a quick unboxing. So yeah, so my time on my camera is just about to run out. So yeah, this is a Fiio DAC, and it seems like it's really good quality. So in the next video, I'm going to actually hook it up. You know, I'm going to do a test and make another video to show you guys how it sounds. If I can, show you how it actually sounds. I'm definitely going to do a full review on this in the next video. Right now, you know, my camera is overheating, the Sony a6000, so the video may go out at any time now. So I'm going to end the video right here because my camera is getting hot. But yeah, this is nice. You know, it looks nice, the quality is good, and it's better than I expected. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.